Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another video, and today I'm going to be making African black soap shampoo to obviously wash and clean my hair. I have had my hair in a long time without washing it because I had this hair that I had on for 3 months honestly, so I need to clean my hair properly. So today I'm going to be making this soap, and I have on my head my heat cap because I'm doing a pre-poo, and as a low porosity hair person, I have to obviously do what works for me. So let's dive into the video. Obviously this is the African black soap that I got this soap a long time ago. I've not been able to use it because I have my hair on. So this is what the soap looks like in a closer view. So I'm gonna be taking some of this soap. I'm gonna be having probably half of it because I want to make this. That's why I've got a big bowl today. I want to be able to make it to last for me. So I'm gonna set that aside, and I've got today sweet almond oil right here. They are all organic. I'll set it aside, and I've got 100, well, said is 99.8 pure vegetable glycerin right here. Set that aside. And I've got my red grapeseed oil right there, and it's organic as well, and I'll set that aside. And I've got my jojoba, my golden jojoba oil right there, and I'll set that aside. I've got my vitamin E oil right there, and I'll set that aside. And I've got the pack of my essential oil right here, and I've got literally what I'm going to be using. The tea tree oil, the essential oils I'm going to be using today are I'm going to be using tea tree oil, vitamin E, or I do not have argan oil. I'm supposed to be using argan oil and neem oil, but I don't have that at the moment, so I'm going to make use of what I have because I really do want to wash my hair. So I'm going to be using lavender essential oil, I'm going to be using peppermint essential oil and rosemary essential oil. All of them are in here. I have lavender there, I have peppermint oil there, I have rosemary right there, I have tea tree oil there. So every oil I'll be using, everything is here, including extra. So I'm gonna obviously set that aside. And this is cute, by the way. You should get yourself one. I got it from Amazon as usual. So, and I'm going to be using warm water, not really room temperature, but like a little bit warm, that it will be able to dilute or melt the soap. And don't let it be too hot or too cold, so it's going to be a little bit warm. So I've got the knives that I'm going to be using to chop this, so let's get to it. I'm just gonna leave it to melt down while I use this knife to yes, melting down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and First of all, I'll add my jojoba oil, and that's going to be 5 teaspoons. And I believe this cup, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a drop. Right, guys, remember that when you're doing this, it depends. If you put too much oil in it, it's not going to lather. So please be careful with adding your oil so that you're not putting too much. So I'm going to be adding glycerin, and that's 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to use this, and that should be enough. Right, now set aside. I'm going to be using sweet almond oil in the place of, well, they all work different things, so I'm not going to obviously say exchange it, but I'm just going to use it. I do not have neem oil, so I'm going to be using sweet almond oil. So I'm going to be using just 1 teaspoon, like that. And I'm going to be adding my tea tree oil, and my tea tree oil, I'm going to be needing 10 drops. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Right, I'm going to be adding next will be my vitamin E essential oil, and vitamin E is going to be 1 teaspoon. So I do not have how to measure it other than this. So it's a bit hard to come out, so I'm just going to open it this way so that I'll be able to get the best part of it. Right there. And I'm going to be using, well, I don't have argan oil, so I'm going to put all these things I'm using in the description, and the process and how you go about it. So I'm going to be using I'm going to be putting grapeseed oil in the place of argan oil, and that will be 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to measure with this. Like I said, guys, you have to be careful, measure all these things and know exactly what you're using, because if you use too much oil on it, it's not going to lather. So I'm going to be using lavender oil, and lavender oil is going to be 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. It smells so good. And then the next one I'm going to put is my peppermint oil. And that is going to be obviously 10 drops. 1, 2, 3. It's more than 10 drops. Right, and the last one is going to be my Rosemary Essential Oil, and that will be 10 drops as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's it. And I'm just going to turn around and then let it sit here. It's almost dissolving, it's almost there. And then yeah, yes, yes, yes. Guys, I'll come back and I'll show you the final look after this has finished dissolving, and I'll find a container that I'll put it in, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm getting ready to wash my hair, so stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so I have finished washing my hair. It's been hours since then, so I left it to sit while I go wash my hair. So I've washed my hair, threaded it. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And so I've got these 2 cans to store it. Just put it in here and then store it away so that I'll use it whenever it's wash day again. So everything has dissolved and the consistency is just good. I love it. It's a teeny bit thick but not too watery, and I mean, I used it obviously. Why would that train just pass now that I'm doing a video? What is wrong with them? Anyways, ignore that. I live closer to train track and whatever. Anyways, so I had to put some here that I used to wash my hair, and this thing is really smells so good. It smells so good. It smells delicious. The lavender oil and the tea tree oil, everything mixed together, it's really amazing. So because I do not have a funnel, I'm going to pour everything in here so that I'll be able to transfer it into the bottles. Yeah, so I got everything in there. I'm going to go ahead and transfer them into this water bottle. That I don't have a bigger thing to pour them in, but to store it away I'm gonna have to pour it here so that it'll be easy for me when next I'm doing a wash day. Yeah, I got it in here. I'm gonna have to peel this off. Yeah, so I got it in here. I'm gonna store it away. This is my shampoo, black African black soap shampoo, and yeah, I'm gonna pour the rest of it in this beautiful body wash container. Like that. And yes, I've got 2 of these, so I'm going to store it away and then use it gradually until it finishes, and I will make another one. And so let me just come closer so that I'll show you guys my hair that I washed, threaded. Right, I'm gonna have to adjust the camera. Just one sec while I adjust the camera and show you guys. So this is my hair, washed, cleaned and threaded in African style, that way. I had to pack it all the way back. This is what it looks like in the back. So it's really clean and I love my results. This thing really works amazingly. Like, I really love it. So go and get yours done, and yes, thank me later. See you guys later, guys. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in my next other video, guys. Bye.